Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech, all-new 2025 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury van. If you're searching for a vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury, comfort, and functionality, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the features that make this van a standout in its class. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hiace VIP makes a bold statement with its modern and sleek design. Toyota has crafted this van to be both eye-catching and functional. The front of the van features a prominent, bold grille that gives it a strong presence on the road, while the stylish LED headlights enhance visibility and add a touch of sophistication. The smooth, sculpted lines of the body aren't just for looks, they help improve the vehicle's aerodynamics, boosting both fuel efficiency and overall performance. Buyers also have a variety of color options to choose from, allowing them to customize the van to their personal tastes. Whether you prefer a classic, professional look or a more vibrant, unique color, the Hiace VIP offers choices that ensure it stands out wherever it goes. These windows not only offer excellent visibility but also let in a generous amount of natural light, creating a bright and airy feeling inside the cabin. For those who enjoy an open-air experience, the van also comes with an optional sunroof. Completing the exterior are elegant alloy wheels that add a finishing touch of luxury to the overall design. Interior. Now, stepping inside, the 2025 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury van truly lives up to its name. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by an interior crafted with high-quality materials and a meticulous attention to detail. Plush, spacious seats ensure that both the driver and passengers enjoy maximum comfort even on long journeys. The Hiace VIP seats up to 8 people, making it ideal for family road trips or business travels where comfort is key. The cabin offers a refined, relaxing atmosphere with soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a refined finish that exudes class. Whether you're seated in the front or the back, there's plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy the ride. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, equipped with an advanced infotainment system. A large, user-friendly touchscreen allows you to easily control music, navigation, and various other features, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. The premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every song sound its best, and with multiple USB ports and charging stations, all passengers can keep their devices powered up and ready to go. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury van is a game-changer for those seeking a luxurious and reliable vehicle. With its sleek exterior, spacious and comfortable interior, advanced infotainment, and cutting-edge safety features, this van is perfect for both family adventures and corporate travel.